Now, I'll tell you why creating need is important. It's not always necessary that there is a demand in the market. Yes, there is a demand, but how can that demand be created? That is the most important task. For example, let's take example of OTT platforms. We had a lot of movie channels. We had uh, PVR cinemas. Everything was there with us. Why Netflix? Why Amazon came into picture? Because they understood that this technology is constantly changing and it's asking for something new, something more. So they got into this, that what if a person can watch their kind of movies, their kind of mm, series, anything they want at their comfort level. Because if you are watching something on a television, or if you are watching something in a cinema hall, you are bound to a certain timing. You cannot just browse whenever you want. So they created that need. Yeah, replacing rental CDs, absolutely right. So it's not like that that we asked for it. We went and said that, oh please, we are so occupied, we cannot always go and watch TVs. We did not ask. It was in someone's mindset that what if something is done like this, what if we do this. So yeah, it creating need involves a huge risk. Sometime it can work, sometime it can fail a big time. So to have a career in sales, you need to be a risk taker. You cannot always think of having a bubble around you, comfort level around you, and then you can go ahead. If you want to work in sales, you have to take that chance. You have to make a first move, which is called first mover advantage. Again, it can work, it cannot. You cannot estimate that how early you can reach to the success, how early you can have a boom in the period. It's very surprising that Amazon, Flipkart, they came very early, in our country. But it was during lockdown when they started making profits. Prior to lockdowns, these people were just earning revenues. They did not used to make any profits. Right now, also, they are struggling to make profits. So that doesn't mean that Amazon and Flipkart are failing. See, every business has a different way to operate, has a different way of having success. So basically, these Amazons and Flipkarts, they get their fundings from a lot of sources. So they secure that fund, and at the end of the fiscal year, they sit and they talk on the revenue they have generated. And this time, during lockdown, when everything was shut, people were not going out in the market, they were forced to use these online platforms. Not forced, but it was the only option available. And now, those people who were so adamant to go out in the market to buy those, basic stuff from the market are also now sitting back at home and ordering it from those platforms. So they were working on this risk for quite a long time, for 7 8 years, and now they are able to get that market. So catching the market is also very important. This is called market penetration. So first, we understood creating need. Second is market penetration. Now, it's not always necessary that you can operate in all sorts of market. You can diversify yourself for a particular section. Like, I don't think so if my grandfather would be comfortable in watching any Netflix movies. He would still would want to sit in front of a television set and would love to watch a movie. Probably I could convince my parents, because they have started using WhatsApp, they have started using video calls, and now they sort of are linked to that section. But it's a balance. But if I talk about me, if I talk about my future generation, then yeah, they would prefer watching movies or series on Netflix. So when Netflix was launched, they did not thought that I want to cover the entire market. Their major market segments were youngsters, that people who are always on the go, they don't have any time, they are very tech savvy. I heard somebody said that he's very much interested into technology and stuff. So you people were the right customer for Netflix. But now, yeah, slowly, steadily, everybody is finding that comfortable, and they are getting those customers into their market. But that was not their sole purpose. But now, if it's getting increased, there is no issue in that. So understanding the market where you are going to operate is also very important. You have to have the right product for the right market. You cannot go to your grandparents and give them a touch phone and they would be comfortable with it. They'll struggle, right? But if you'll give them a keypad, probably they'll be happy to work on it. So whenever you are in sales, you need to know how to deal with which customer and what customer. Now I'll give you a very normal example. Please, girls, don't think that I am devaluing you. I am also a girl, but this is what we do consider. So normally we see that whenever we go out to purchase a laptop, guys would want to know about all the specs, like how much is the RAM, what is the switching to different tabs, whether it's easy or not, gaming के लिए comfortable है कि नहीं. Please trust me, girls, कितनों ने color को consider नहीं किया है. I personally always, yeah, I do see the specs, but I also see what color of laptop it is. I cannot buy like normal wo black color. If it's silver or Vio, when Vio came, it came with a lot of funky colors. We loved that. So why did they do it? They wanted to catch that customers. It's not like that guys cannot prefer any colored laptops. Of course they can, but I'm just generalizing this, that yeah, this is what happens in the market. You have to think about all the perspectives. Again, it's nothing like that the girls do not check
Yeah.
the specs. They do check. But we do prefer the colors.